How to use the point property tool. This tool used to set the cutting point. Left-click this point. Check the E start point. Apply. This point will show E and show this direction. This is the sleeve start cutting point. When cutting to this point, I need to cutting machine to exit the knife on entry again. I can select this point, check it, click apply. When the cutting knife go to here, the knife will exit on entry. Symmetry cutting. I need this point is the symmetry cutting start point. Select this point. Check C. Apply. Yes. This point is symmetry cutting start point. This is end point. Select point. Check T. Apply. This is end point. This is cutting machine direction. Click this one. You can change the cutting machine direction. Click this one. The piece will auto add entry exit point. Now you can see. Uncheck it. The piece will hide the point property. Click it. You can set the point property font size. Click it. You can set the color. OK. Thanks for watching.